And welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until we get it right. Let's start our trial for today. Let's do some more questions from the Olympiad question paper set C for class 8 and understand how to solve different kind of questions that come in Olympiad. If you're watching my videos and liking them, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start.
Let's do question number 31 from set C of Maths Olympiad for class 8. So it's a simplify question. So this is the particular expression we need to simplify. So let's first simplify this particular first term from here. So we will apply distributive law where we will multiply 3 by 2 x square to the first term, then to minus 1. Similarly, we'll do in the second term of this entire expression and third term of this entire expression as well. So let's start. 3 by 2 x square into x square, that will be 3 by 2 x raised to the power of 4. Then 3 by 2 x square minus 1 will be minus 3 by 2 x square. Then plus 1 by 4 x square into x square, that will be plus 1 by 4 x raised to the power of 4. Then plus 1 by 4 x square into x will be plus 1 by 4 x cubed. Then minus 3 by 4 x into x cube, that will be minus 3 by 4 x raised to the power of 4. Then minus 3 by 4 x into minus 1, that will be plus 3 by 4 x. Now let's group together all the like terms. For x to the power 4, there are 3 terms, 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. So I'll write all the numerical coefficients together inside a bracket like this and write x raised to the power 4 outside it. Now we will do for x cube. Next bigger power, exponential power is x cube. So plus 1 by 4 x cube. This is the only thing, only term for x cube. Now for x square also there is only one term, minus 3 by 2 x square, and for x also there is only one term, plus 3 by 4 x. Now let's first do this addition. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4, if we do, what it will become? It will be 6 plus 1, 7 by 4, 7 by 4 minus 4 by 4, 7 by 4 minus 3 by 4, I'm sorry, will be equal to 4 by 4. So we'll do it in the next step. Plus 1 by 4 x cube minus 3 by 2 x square plus 3 by 4 x. So it will become 7 minus 3 will become 4. So 4 by 4, 4 and 4 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So what remains is only 1 as the numerical coefficient of x to the power 4. Then we have 1 by 4 x cubed minus 3 by 2 x squared plus 3 by 4 x. So let's see which particular option has this particular value. That is option C. Option C is the correct answer for question number 31. Let's do question number 32. How many edges does the given solid have? So if you see in this particular question, it's a pentagonal prism. So pentagon has 5 edges. So 5 edges on the top. Down also we have the base also as the pentagon. So it will be 5 here also. So 5 plus 5, 10. And these heights joining the top pentagon and the base pentagon are 5. So 5 at the top, 5 below, these are the two pentagons, and 5 edges joining the top and bottom pentagon. So total are 15. Option number A, which is already ticked, is the correct answer for question number 32. Let's do question number 33. Factorize this particular expression we have given. So if you see 5x square plus 70x minus 160 into x minus 6 divided by x square minus 256. Now let's first factorize 5x square plus 70x minus 160. So if you see in 5x square plus 70x minus 160, 5 is a common factor. I'll just keep the 5 outside. So what will remain inside the bracket? 5 into x square is 5x square. So 5, if it's outside, x square will be inside. Now 5 into what will become 70x? 5 into 16, not 16, 14. 14 will become 70. So I'll keep 14x also inside because 5 common factor I have put outside. So minus what will be 160? 5 into what will be minus 160? It will be definitely 32. So minus 32, 5 into minus 32 is minus 160. So I have kept it outside. Now we have here, we have to somehow get minus 32, right? Upon multiplication, and subtraction should give us 14. That way we need to factorize. So 5x square, can I not write, instead of 14 I can write 16, 16x minus 2x minus 32 I can write like this. So 16x minus 2x is 14x, and 16x into minus 2x is minus 32x. So we have kind of factorized it. So now let's do further factorization. It will become x plus 16 into x minus 2. Okay, I'm skipping one step to keep it short. Now if you see x square minus 256, I'll do it here. Is it not equal to x plus 16 into x minus 16? Yes, it is. So what I'll do, I'll write now this entire numerator first. So instead of 5x square plus 70x minus 160, I'm going to write 5x plus 16 into x minus 2, and then we have this x minus 16 here. I'll again write it here, x minus 16, and denominator we already have factorized x square minus 256 into x plus 16 into x minus 16, because 16 into 16 is 256. So this is x plus 16 and into x minus 16. So x minus 16 got cancelled out, x plus 16 got cancelled out. What remains is 5 into x minus 2, which is option D. So this is the answer for question number 33. Now let's solve question number 34. Question number 34 says, when x is equal to 2, 7, 11, like this progression, y is equal to 8, 28, 44, then x and y are in what kind of option will be correct for out of these four? So if you see x is 12, 2, then y is equal to 8. That means for x equal to 2, we just need to multiply 4 with this 2. 2 into 4 becomes 8. Y becomes equal to 8. Similarly, when x is equal to 7, we multiply 4 here. 7 to 4, y becomes 28. Again, if you see x is 11, you multiply 4, y becomes 44. So when x is increasing, in same proportion, y is also increasing. Y is not decreasing in proportion. Y is increasing in the same proportion as a. So here we can directly say that both are in direct proportion, right? Both x and y are in direct proportion. So this is question number 34. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 35. We need to find which one of these. This is from integers. We need to see whether it's greater or less than. So let's first solve the left hand side. So it is minus 5 minus of minus 3. Again, this entire thing goes into bracket, multiplied by minus 15 within brackets plus minus 20. So let's solve this one first. Minus 5 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. So it will become minus 5 plus 3, right? Minus 5 plus 3 into minus 15 plus minus 20. So minus 15 minus 20 is minus 35. So minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 35 is 70. So we have done the left hand side. Now right hand side, 35 minus of minus 5 into 8 plus minus 5, whole thing inside square brackets. So 35 here, okay, 35 I'll write here. Then first precedence will be given to multiplication. So it will be minus of minus 5 is plus 5 into 8 is 40, right? And plus is outside the bracket, minus is inside the bracket. So when we remove the bracket, it will become minus 5. Different sign inside and outside means minus will come, negative integer will come. So it will become 35 plus 40 is 75 minus 5. So it is again 70. So option C, equal to, is the correct answer for this question number 35. Now question number 36 says, a shopkeeper has just enough money to buy 52 cycles worth rupees 525 each. If each cycle were to cost rupees 21 more, then how many cycles would he be able to buy with that amount of money? So he has exact money uh, with which he can buy 52 cycles, what, 525 each. So total money that he has, first let's calculate, that is will be definitely equal to 525, that is the cost of one cycle, into 52 cycles which he can buy with the money he has. So 2 5s are 10, 1 gets carried over, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So here it's done. Now 5 5s are 25, 2 gets carried over, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 1 gets carried over, 5 5s are 25 plus 1 is 26. So we have to add all this up. So 0, 10, 3, 7, 2. So total money that he has is 2730300. Now it's asking that if the cost of each cycle increases by 21, then how many cycles will he be able to buy? So 525 plus 21 is the new cost of each cycle. So it will be 5 plus 1 6, 4, 5, 546. Now how many number of cycles that he can buy will be definitely equal to 27300, because the total money that he has is not going to increase or decrease. Only the price of the cycle increases. Per cycle the price increases. So definitely he will be able to buy less. So this we need to do, 2730 divided by 546. So I will do it here only. I'll write 27300 here, and 546 anyways is outside. So if you see, if you multiply 546 with 5, what do you get? 5 6 are 30, 3 gets carried over, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 is 23. So 2, 3 I write, 2 I carry over again, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus that carried over 2 is 2730. So here we see it's getting totally, subtracted. Exactly we are getting 27300, and one more 0 is there. So I write 50 here. So it becomes 50 years. So total number of cycles that he can buy will definitely be less, because the money that he has is same, but the cost of each cycle increases. So now he is able to buy, instead of 52, 50 cycles. So option A, which has already been ticked for question number 36, is the correct answer. So question number 37 says tickets numbered from 1 to 20, means ticket numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 like this till 20, are mixed up together, and then a ticket is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ticket has a number which is a multiple of 3 or 7? It's a very simple question. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So they are all jumbled up together. If I try to pick one ticket, it should either be a multiple of 3 or 7. What is that probability? We need to find out. So 3 is a multiple of 3 itself, 7 is a multiple of 7 itself. Now other multiples of 3 are 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Similarly, 7 multiple is 7, 14. No other multiple is there. So how many, the probability of getting a multiple of 3 or 7 is, the sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And total number of options are 20. So it is 8 by 20. So if you see, common factor between numerator and denominator is 4. So I'll just cancel out directly with 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So answer is 2 by 5. Option C, 2 by 5 for question number 37 is the correct answer. Now question number 38 says, a teacher arranges his students in rows to form a square. He finds that in doing so, 45 students are left out. Means when he arranges all the children in squares in row wise, then out of all the total children, 45 could not be included in that square. If you would have included them, then a square formation would not have been possible. If total number of students is 4945, then find the number of students in each row. So it's very easy. 4945 minus 45, that will give us 4900, which is written already here. 4900 are the total number of students who are arranged in a square, and the rest 45 are outside. They are not inside the square. So in each row, how many children will be there? Obviously, we have to find square root of 4900. So 49 is actually how much? 49 is actually 7 into 7. Similarly, 49 into 100, right, is 4900. So 100 is how much? 10 into 10. So definitely if we try to find out square root for this, it will become 7 here and it will become 10 here. So 7 into 10 is 70. So option A is the correct answer for question number 38. Now let's go to question number 39. If Ramesh can complete 2/5 of a work in 24 days and Satish can complete 1/3 of the work in 30 days, then in how many days can they complete the work if they work together? So 2/5 of the work, now first let's calculate for Ramesh. For Ramesh, he can do 2/5 of the work in 24 days. So in one day, how much work he'll do? In one day, he can do um, 2 by 5 divided by 24, which is 2 by 5 divided by 24 is actually, I have to multiply the reciprocal of 24. So it will become how much? 1 by 12 into 5 is 60. So 1/60th of the work gets completed in one day. Similarly for Satish, in one day how much work he is doing? Let's see. In one day he is able to do 1/3 of the work. So 1/3 divided by 30 is the amount of work that he does in one day. So it will become 1 by 30 into 1 by 30. So it is 1/90th of the work he is able to complete in one day. So in one day, both Ramesh and Satish, how much can they complete in one day? Ramesh plus Satish, how much work can they do? 1 by 90 plus 1 by 60. So 1 by 90 plus 1 by 60 is how much? If I try to find reciprocal of this, it will be, I think, 180. So 180. So 180 divided by 90 is 2. So 2 into 1 is 2. Similarly, 180 divided by 60 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3 here. So it is 5 by 180. This is the amount of work both Ramesh and Satish can do in one day. So to complete the entire work, so 5 by 180 of the work they both are able to do, R plus S are able to do in one day, right? So the entire work, that is let me take the entire work as 1. So that entire work, one work for Ramesh and Satish, that will be 1 divided by 5 by 80, right? 1 divided by 5 by 80. So it is actually how much? 180 by 5, because 1 divided by 1 divided by 5 by 80 is actually 1 into 8, 180 by 5, reciprocal of 5 by 80. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 18 minus 15 is 6, 6 comes, 18 minus 15 is 3, so 3 comes here again, 30 it becomes, so 5 6 are 30. So for both Ramesh and Satish to complete the entire work, it will take 36 days, which option B is the correct answer for question number 39. Let's do question number 40. Question number 40 says, Ajay and Vijay have 25 chocolates in total. If Ajay gives 3 chocolates to Vijay, then the number of chocolates that Ajay and Vijay have are now in the ratio 2:3. So we have to find the number of chocolates both Ajay and Vijay initially had. So 25 chocolates in total. Let Ajay's number of chocolates Ajay had be A and Vijay had be V. So A plus V is equal to 25. Okay. Now Ajay is giving 3 chocolates to Vijay. So now Ajay's chocolates will be equal to A minus 3. Initially he had A, it will be reduced to A minus 3. Now Vijay initially had V, now he has got 3 more chocolates from Ajay, so it will become V plus 3, and the ratio of these two is equal to 2 by 3 as per the second statement here. That when Ajay gives 3 chocolates to Vijay, the new ratio of number of chocolates between Ajay and Vijay becomes 2:3. So here instead of A, can I not write from here? A is actually what? 25 minus V. So I will, instead of A, I'll write 25 minus V. 25, okay, not here. I'll write it here instead to save some space. So it will be 25 minus V minus 3. Minus 3 is not going anywhere because instead of A, we are writing 25 minus V. So minus 3 will stay here. So V plus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Rest everything remains the same. So 25 minus 3, how much it is? 22. 22 minus V by V plus 3 equal to 2 by 3. Now we will just do cross multiplication here. 3 will multiply with 22 minus V and V plus 3 will multiply with 2. So now 3 into 22 minus V. Okay, just one moment. 3 into 22 minus V will be like this, and 2 into V plus 3 will be on the right hand side. So it will become 66 minus 3V is equal to 2V plus 6. So 66 minus 6 is equal to 2V plus 3V. So it is actually how much? 60 is equal to 5V, or other words, V is equal to 60 by 5, which will be equal to 12. So initially the chocolates Vijay had was 12. So how much Ajay had we can find? 25 minus 12, that is 13. So the chocolates that Ajay had initially was 13 and Vijay had initially was 12. So option D, none of these is the correct answer for question number 40.